So guys, that's me now. I'm gonna make the audio good for my phone because it's on a way when me listen back but as soon as I get it, you know what I mean? So watch out. So the auntie gonna know stuff them ready there so yeah, me just there cool, me charge my phone close to the Wi-Fi, so I can turn up in the house right now you see. So yeah, me never really video much, so I wanna see I wanna get. But yeah, hope you enjoy still, you know what I mean? Thumbs up for the video, subscribe, share, and share. You see it? So yeah, and the road to 2K. So tomorrow now, early in the morning, if you wake up at 5, get ready, you got strap.
What's going on, YT? Gang, I already know who this man is working with here, back with everything today for you guys. Right now, late in the night, early in the morning, it's 4:37. You see them up, cause if you go catch your next flight, feed Goa, one start. You see, so yeah. America piece from phone last night, but never know if that so good enough. But I'm still gonna get it anyways, cause this I go to night segue, so probably not see it before this. But yeah, go on a good tour right place, cause nobody do it yesterday when we reach in, so alright, so now see that. Yeah, we do when I tap in. Yeah, we little couch, little thing, suitcase, don't watch that shit. That I'm wearing yesterday, that's a full half of my clothes and them type of shit. Here first one, you have a little kitchen section. I don't know why they help me I stand right now. I'm gonna charge my phone through here, so yeah, so I sit down for use my phone because the Wi-Fi is shit. Anyways, yeah, you have bedroom, don't watch the bed because I just wake up, have TV, then I got me, you see. So yeah, my little just in this a shirt there and me and the pants, you see. So yeah, now we go to the bathroom, so let me show you. So walk, bathroom, so you got, oh shit, better go cut out this one because I'm underpants me as I tell you before. So you have a mirror, like a glass thingy. Shit, my clueless power, what the hell this is. You have a tissue and soap, I think. Yeah, one soap for wash your hands, like a bathroom, like a toilet, like a shower thing. I know this will make up too much noise. I'm pretty sure other people are asleep right now. What the fuck this up? Oh shit. So I don't say I duck, I forgot duck and this bombat when I go in here, so alright. So press that water deck right now. So yeah, that's a little tour. Right now, I wait until like 5 before I start really doing it, you know what I mean? Cause yeah, I charge my same thing them up and then I get ready for the road. So make sure you stay along, stay for the journey, because my friend and knows me for my surprise reality. Right now then they are partying and shit, like literally in a party. Right now as me I speak for something in the morning. How many days I try to catch one flight to go satellite. Well anyway, see you guys in a bit. Bye. So guys, you know, I'm ready, not ready. We just have on marina pants on me. But I'm not here for honor. You know say I wait for people to come pick me if camera at the airport. When they come put on my shirt. And then yeah, I done pack up everything a while ago. Beard. Yeah. I'm just wait for them. Come so we pack up everything. Just a wait straight and I pack up this. Better going on a suitcase. But anyways, I wait for them and then Let me down. Yeah. So now at the airport. Soon at the airport. Or when we just chat. I don't know when I'm gonna take up a camera. Probably take a pre. I don't know yet. But yeah. See you guys in a bit. So guys, me in the airport right now. I don't know if you can hear me coming out the low. But American flight is supposed to left at 8:30. And the time is 7:18. So yeah. So like we get almost 1 hour. Literally 1 hour. A couple minutes. So yeah guys, link on back when we reach in Astrat. $30 more minutes to go. One more thing go. So literally soon left. Just 30 minutes left. I'm cool in my ship. Left put on my jacket and start with cool. Tired, wanna sleep. Up from since after 4, you see time. So yeah. Catch you back soon again, I guess. Thank you, Lord.